Risk on, right? And that was on news that we've got a deal with Japan. Now, investors were hoping that tariffs with Japan would drop down to 10%. They were at 25%. That's where we had set them across the board for just about everybody. But it was announced that a deal was in place where we would drop tariffs to 15%. So, investors are content with that, it seems like. As that announcement came, the market started to get out of their little sideways movement that had been there for 2.5 weeks and started to move up. I think there's a lot of anticipation, SIP, that maybe Europe, deal with Europe will coming along. Also, lots of rumors, especially around here in the Washington, D.C. area, that August 1st deadline for China is going to get pushed yet again. Remember, taco trade. So, all of that. Remember, we've been talking about the markets, and yeah, there's a lot of sensationalism happening out in the news. You're hearing about it all the time, whether it's Ozzy passing away, or Hulk Hogan or Malcolm Jamal Warner or Chuck Mangione, or whether you're talking about this whole Epstein stuff. None of that really is affecting the markets. The markets are all about trade and tariffs and, this big, beautiful, as Trump would call it. Some people just say big, bloated tax bill, whatever you want to call it.